birthday to you, and many more. You ready? Make a wish.
It's fire.
Blow it out.
Good job.
Patrick, you want your cake?
Okay, that's for you, big guy. Have at it.
Where do you want to eat your cake, Patrick? Can you set up, Patrick?
Let me show you.
Patrick, come here, please.
You'll like it.
It's kind of cold.
It is a little cold.
I said keep refrigerated, sir.
You can start with the rose. Don't be shy. Just take that sucker and...
He did just wake up. Here, look at Mommy. Hi. Eat your cake. Try it. The banners. There's Tila waiting for the cake to drop. Try it. Eat your cake.
Take a picture of that. Look at that. Patrick likes his cake.
What do you think? Is that good? Oh, you want Mike, watch. Mike, he's eating the whole rose.
Oh boy. Yeah, just taste it. Taste it.
No, don't put the whole thing in there.
Don't be shy, buddy.
Good stuff, Patrick.
Ow! You won't do it. Ready?
You want some more?
Mike, can you hold this?
Yeah.
Just frost. The whole rose. Is that yummy? Yeah. You like it? Do you like it, Patrick?
You like your cake, Patrick?
I heard that one.
Patrick, can you say happy birthday, Matthew?
Here, let's
Oh, not with a mouthful.
get right in. Come on. Right in. He really likes the blue rose. Just 100% frosted.
You want some water, buddy?
There is some water in there. Yay, Matthew! Is that yummy? That's the first sugar you've had. You're gonna be dyed blue.
Patrick, can you say happy birthday, Matthew? Please. Hey, Matt. Matthew. What are you doing?
Do you have a whole bunch of frosting in there? Oh, yeah.
You're disassembling it.
That's a whole bunch of frosting. Are you just going to eat that now? Yeah. Go for the whole big chunk. Oh. Is it just going to hit the ground? What are you asking for? Okay. Dada's getting it. Here, try some cake. It's good.
Is that good, Patrick? You like that?
No, you don't like the cake?
You just said you did earlier.
You're being
Yeah, you
extremely
do, I heard.
neat.
Are you all done? Wow.
Well, Patrick, will you sit with me and eat? I need a buddy.
Want to eat some of your brother's cake? No. Do you see him? Is it Matt's birthday? What are you doing down there? Yay, Matthew! Yeah, that's right. Come on, make a mess.
Hills in heaven.
Tila's going to be on a sugar high, too.
Is that his first plate?
No.
I think it was, Patrick.
Leave Tila alone, Patrick. Leave her alone, please.
Yeah, come here while she's eating. It's okay.
All right, we'll kick Tila out. Tila, out. You don't need to be looking frosting anyways.
Patrick.
There you go, buddy. Oh, Daddy's got your juice. Daddy's got your juice.
All right. Matt, look at Mommy. Hi. All right. Bye-bye.